Hey, so what's up guys? I hope you people are doing fine. So today, as you have seen from the title and from the thumbnail I guess, today I am reacting to the motivational quotes. Yeah. Yes, because motivational quotes are I think a scam and it's a myth. And today we are going to find out. I am reacting to these motivational quotes because I can react. So let's start today with this quotes. The first quote, okay, goes like this: I am no good. Not a quote exactly, not a motivational one. It's quite depressing. So I will move on. There is nothing to love about me. Okay, not a quote again. Sorry for it.
A few moments later.
So I found this one. लोग आग से नहीं हमसे जलते हैं. Like, why will people bring ag? Why will people have fire? Because we have you. So instead of making food or making coffee on ag or fire, we should make food in general on you, because like you're so hot. So like, why not, dude? Like, oh my god, log aag se nahi humse jalte hai. कौन है तू, bro? Who's writing all these quotes? You're not hot, bro. You're not hot. You're just a nibba. Yeah, I said it. Sorry. Moving on. I'm not perfect, but I am limited edition. Limited edition, of course, man, of course. Strawberry? Who you are, man? I don't understand this. Maybe you're limited in your edition, if you know what I mean. Come on, man. You're not an object, and I don't think like you should. You like to be objectified. So please stop saying like you're a limited edition, and please stop putting all these on your Facebook, WhatsApps. It's cringy. Nah, don't do it, please. Don't. No one ever got rich working a 9 to 5. Okay, pretty interesting. Yeah, we all know that. But what's the solution? 9 to 5 jobs are murder, I guess. Murder of your dreams, murder of your ambitions, whatever you want to become. It just kill you, man, simply because like, ask me, dude, ask me. And if you are working a 9 to 5 job, you must be experiencing trauma, anxiety, depression and whatnot. You have to give the solution rather like stating the problem. Of course, awareness comes first, but after that you have to give the solution. I mean, whoever wrote boy blocks of Instagram, if you wrote this, listen to me. Like, of course you're listening to me. Like, say this is the follow-up of this quote, and give a solution, man. It's not a solution, it's a stating the problem, and I'm completely fine with it. Nice time to shoot a video, right? Moving on. Okay, this one is Hindi because हर हर मोदी, घर घर मोदी. कभी किसी के चेहरे की मुस्कुराहट बन, सॉरी, स्टार्टिंग अगेन. कभी किसी चेहरे की मुस्कुराहट बन कर देखो, खुशी नहीं तो सुकून जरूर मिलेगा. सुकून. अच्छा भैया, 1 किलो साकुन देना. हाँ छोड़ो, इसको 1 किलो सावन देना तो. हाँ ले लीजिए आपका 1 किलो. शुक्रिया. What do you mean by sakun? Come on, if you're writing a quote, come on, at least spell check it once. Sakun milega. If that's an abstract word and which has no meaning, then of course milega. Oh, haha. आजकल लोगों को हद में रखने के लिए थोड़ा एटीट्यूड दिखाना भी जरूरी है. This is. If you want to keep people in limit, then show attitude, man. That's the life hack 101. Like, ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा सा attitude दिखाना भी ज़रूरी है. I'm not saying it. I don't know what attitude is. Positive, negative, I don't know, like attitude. Moving on. This is a classic quote. Being good is also a mistake nowadays. People think you are fake. In childhood, Batman used to make more sense, but today, when we are adult, Joker makes sense more. I mean, of course, if you're a psychopath. See, if you are good to someone and people think that is fake, then fuck them. Man, you are having wrong friends, or like you are having none. They are using you. We don't know, man. We don't know. You have to look it for yourself. I'm actually reacting to the memes because, of course, I can. Moving on. Not having money does not make you poor, but not having a goal makes. Maybe he doesn't like football and hockey. Maybe he likes to play cricket. Maybe he likes to basketball, dude. You don't want to be ambitious, you don't be ambitious. If you're happy, be happy, man. Whatever makes you feel happy, you should do that. And thundering is on and it's raining. The light is going down. If you're having any problem regarding watching this video, blame the thundering and the clouds. The sunlight is not able to reach my face. Okay. Moving on. No DP because mood off hai. Classic, bro. Classic. It's 21st century and we know that if you remove your DP from WhatsApp or even Facebook, it means you are sad for no reason and wanting attention. So that people ask you, like, what happened, bro? Why is there no DP in your DP place, bro? Come on, bro. Put on a DP, bro. Then you will go on with the story, like what happened to you, like actually. Like say, bro, ऐसा यार बहुत दिन से ना उसको देखा नहीं यार, bro. काफी सैड है हम. Bro, तो ठीक है ना, तो DP लगा लेना, bro. वो उसके बाद तो सब खुश हो जाएगा, bro. अरे मैंने तो सोचा ही नहीं है. Moving on. Your heart is the most precious part of you. Never give it to someone who doesn't appreciate it. Of course, because heart transplant is very expensive. You don't want to give someone your heart unless and until they appreciate it, because your heart pumps blood and like it keeps you alive, dude. So like, come on. If someone is not appreciating the donor of the heart, who is apparently dead now, like heart is very important. That's why you shouldn't give it to anyone. And I don't know why I'm talking like this. Don't judge someone's attitude. Again, attitude. Until you have felt their pain. See, I have not felt their pain, but I have dropped my pen. So, wordplay. Correct. Bro, Rakesh, I know what you feel. Understand what you feel. Understand what you're going through. But Rakesh, you're an asshole. Now, why did you say that? Why did you say? Because I've felt your pain, and you are an asshole. Man, please don't do this. Don't judge anyone. Be judgmental, like anti-judgmental. Be anti and judgmental at the same time. Yeah, correct. God, this is classic. This is 16 years old Piyush Rana. I'm also guilty of putting all these on my Facebook page and on my Instagram, but I've removed it. Oh, by the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, do check it out. I post interesting memes and I post my photos if you're interested in that. Do follow me on Instagram, dude. Okay, I'm not a bad person. Situations makes me bad. Oh, okay. So you're blaming the situation so that like no one's blame you. Okay, very intelligent. Modern problem requires modern solution. Situation makes everything bad because you can blame the situation and situation cannot do anything. Very intelligent. Why are you blaming me, huh, Rakesh? Please don't blame me, Rakesh. No. I'm not a bad person. Our situation, you're the guilty one. So I can blame you because fuck you. I thought about quitting, but then I noticed who was watching. This is also a classic motivational line. Lion is there. Who's the king of the jungle? This dipshit, not dip. I'm so sorry again. Very amazing kind of animal, which is very splendid, very eloquent, has a very good facial hair. apparently unlike me. I don't know, man, who's watching you. No, actually, no one. Whenever you do the hardest part, whenever you do the boring part, whenever you do the important parts, no one is watching you. Like, it's okay if no one is watching. Do your own part, man. Do your own part and succeed, because that's what mattered to you. Because something has mattered to you, it means something to you. So don't forget and just do it. Okay? Don't ever give up. Having a rough day, just remember that an arrow can only be shot by pulling it backwards. So, when life is dragging you back with difficulties, it means it's about to send you forward to kill someone? Kill? No, man, you shouldn't kill someone. Anyone, rather. So thank you guys. This is all for today, and next week I'm coming up with some really good shit. So like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and do hit a like button if you like the video for whatsoever reason, and do check out my Instagram. Do check out. I post really good photos of me, because like no one clicks my photo, so I click it myself and upload it. And I sometimes post dank memes. So like, yeah, man, you can follow, man. Of course. Go to Instagram, check me out. Like, not literally. Like, don't objectify me. But yeah, you understand. You get the gist, right? So thank you guys. Please like, share, subscribe. Peace out.